In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wrike to Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Wrike workspace. Make sure you choose your primary account. So head over to your browser and log into your Wrike account. Remember, it's essential to use the specific account that you want to link to Microsoft Teams. Once you're logged in, take a look at the main navigation menu, which is usually located at the top or side of your screen. You're going to want to find the Workspace Settings or Tools. Click on that area, and from the menu that appears, select Apps and Integrations. This will launch the Integration Gallery, where you can explore all the different tools and integrations available. Now we need to filter our options to find Microsoft Teams specifically. So at the top of the gallery page, you should see a filter option labeled All Plans. Click on that to ensure you can see Microsoft Teams under your current subscription type. This is important because depending on your plan, not all integrations may be visible. Once you've set the filter, scroll through the list of applications until you locate Microsoft Teams. If you prefer, you can use the search bar to find it more quickly. Once you find Teams, click the Go to App button. This action will redirect you straight to the official integration gateway on the Microsoft Teams side. It's a seamless process, making it easy to connect the two platforms. Now we're almost done. You should now be on the Microsoft Teams integration page. Here, you'll find an Add button. Go ahead and click that. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a prompt asking if you want to allow the browser to launch your Teams desktop application. Accept that prompt to proceed with the installation. Once you complete these steps, Wrike will be successfully added to your Microsoft Teams interface. But we're not finished just yet. To make things more convenient, you might want to pin the Wrike app to your sidebar. This way, it's easily accessible every time you use Teams. So there you have it. You've successfully integrated Wrike with Microsoft Teams, making it so much easier to manage your tasks and collaborate with your team. Now you can utilize both platforms effortlessly for better productivity. If you have any questions about this process or need tips on how to maximize your use of Wrike and Teams together, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. That way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials that can help you streamline your workflow even further. Catch you in the next video.